Good morning dear students, welcome to GCE Connect. So in this lecture we will discuss about Chase's equation, the simple derivation of Chase's equation from Darcy's formula. Okay, and we'll solve one of the problems on both the methods, on both the formulas, Chase's as well as Darcy's. Okay, so in order to get the Chase's equation we have to consider Darcy's formula, which is one of the forms of Darcy's formula is given f dash upon rho g P by A L into V square. Okay, where HF is loss of head due to friction, A cross sectional area of the pipe, P weighted perimeter of pipe, then L length of pipe, then V is mean velocity of flow of the liquid. So here in the equation, ratio of A by P, it indicates area of flow divided by wetted perimeter. Okay, is called hydraulic mean depth or hydraulic radius. It has two names, hydraulic mean depth or hydraulic radius, and is denoted by m. Okay, where m is ratio of area by P, which is cross sectional area divided by perimeter. So on simplification we get m value to be d by 4. So this is very useful while solving problems. So instead of substituting A and P separately, you can directly substitute d by 4 considering the situation. Okay, next, that is what written here, A by P is equals to P by A. Sorry, this is slightly wrong. So actually it should be P by A is equal to 1 by M. So this is not that. P by A should be 1 by M. Okay, so again it is written once again. So that is P by A is 1 by M. So substituting the values accordingly, in place of A by P by A, we get 1 by M, that is substituted, and we will rewrite the equation for V square. So it is written here, V square is H of rho G by F dash, H of rho G by F dash M by L. So when you take into the square root, we will get like this, rho G by F dash M H of L. Let rho G by F dash is C, where C is Chase's constant, and HF by L, which is loss of head per unit length of the pipe, is I. So on substituting this, we get a simple equation, V is equal to C into square root of M I. Okay, in the equation we have rho G by F dash, which is equal to F by 2. It is discussed in the derivation, which is Darcy's Weisbach equation. So where F is known as coefficient of friction. F is known as coefficient of friction. Okay, so continuing, we'll take up a problem. Find the head loss due to friction in a pipe, okay, of diameter 300 mm, length 50 meter, through which water is flowing at a velocity of 3 meter per second, using, so how to use here both the formulas, Darcy's formula as well as Chase's formula, and we have to find out the value of HF. Okay, so further details are given. Chase's constant is equal to 60 and kinematic viscosity is 0.01 Stoke. So using Darcy's formula, we have HF 4FL V square divided by 2GD, which is one of the forms of Darcy-Weisbach equation, where 4F is F dash, F is coefficient of friction, F star, actually it is F star not F dash, F star is friction factor. Okay, based on RE value, we have set of formulas for F. So we have to calculate RE. So we know that RE is Vd by nu or rho Vd by mu, where the value of rho by mu is substituted as nu, and we get this formula. So we will be using the same formula in order to calculate RE value. Okay, I told you that F is 16 by RE if the value of RE is less than 2000. Okay, and similarly F value is 0.079 divided by RE raised to 1 by 4 if the value of RE is ranges between 4000 and 10 power 6. So in the present case, if I calculate RE value, so RE value is calculated, which is 9 into 10 power 5. Okay, the RE value is 9 into 10 power 5, which is in this range. So we'll be using this formula to calculate F value. So F value is calculated using the same formula. Further, the value of F and other parameters, the diameter, length, velocity, c value, and the kinematic viscosity, and the required values are substituted in order to calculate f. So 4, okay, f l v square divided by 2 g and d. Okay, so we get the value to be 0.7828. Okay, using Chase's formula, if I want to calculate hf, so Chase's formula is this. So where m is d by 4, directly we are using the value. So from this formula we will find out the value of I. C is 60, so I value will be 0.0333. So that is also equal to hf by l. So hf by l we get this value. On substitution we get hf is equal to 1.665 meters. Okay, so you can see there is slight variation between hf and hf value for Darcy's formula and hf value for Chase's formula. Okay, this is how we can use the formula and calculate hf head loss due to friction. Okay, thank you.